Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word tasty. Let's practice with me.
Tasty.
This food is tasty. The soup tastes tasty.
I find this dish tasty.
The tasty meal is ready.
She cooked a tasty dinner.
Tasty snacks are on the table. This restaurant serves tasty food. I love tasty desserts. The tasty pizza smells good.
He made a tasty sandwich.
Tasty meals improve my mood.
We enjoyed tasty dishes today.
Tasty food makes me happy. The chef prepared tasty meals. Tasty flavors fill the room. I want tasty food now. Tasty dishes are delicious. She loves tasty recipes. Tasty meals are satisfying. We cooked tasty food together. Tasty food is good for health. Try this tasty dish today. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share English Audio Dict. See you again in tomorrow's video.